This is a celebration of the opening of the Mount Vernon Memorial Highway trail. This has been a huge project. It's been almost 10 years in the making. It runs from Route 1, Richmond Highway, all the way to Gristmill Park. And then it goes beyond that, but ultimately it connects to George Washington's Mount Vernon estate. And then at Mount Vernon Estate, you have the National Park Service, the George Washington Memorial Parkway Trail that runs from the estate all the way into Alexandria and all the way through Arlington, all the way up to Great Falls. So you have a long connective trail that this is a key piece that was missing. So we're at George Washington's Gristmill Distillery, and we're looking back over my shoulder at the brand new bridge, which is one of the major features of the project. And we had to have that bridge. It's 12 feet wide to make sure people could cross Dogue Creek safely. But we also then had to have another almost a mile of trail after that to really connect those different pieces that were unconnected.
So this is just a critical connection, and most of those cyclists were using the road, but now they have the option to use this beautiful trail.
We have come so far with understanding that anytime we invest in transportation infrastructure, we have to do it in a multimodal way, not just for our physical and mental health, but literally to save the planet and change habits. And the best way to change habits is to convince people that you can safely do things. If you don't feel safe doing them, people aren't going to do them. And so this is a part of a public safety network as much as it is a huge part of this Nova Loop and connecting so many opportunities for cyclists. And, you know, this is Fairfax County putting its money where its mouth is. This, for us, is emergency infrastructure and investments we need to make as a county. And it's a part of the board's commitment to $100 million over the next 6 years for pedestrian and bicycle improvements in Fairfax County.
After the ribbon cutting, we took a ride, and there were probably about 10 riders with us, and we got a chance to experience the trail and how easy it is to go from really one point to the other.
But this is amazing. This is about as beautiful trail as you're going to find literally on the whole East Coast. So this is great. Thank you.
And you can come and walk and ride and enjoy. You can truly connect with nature while connecting with your family and friends in an easy, comfortable, safe way to travel. So come join us.